Alrighty guys, I just wanted to do a video on a product called Gamma. Now, this is super awesome. So with this tool, and without a word of a lie, I think this is going to be a competitor to absolutely everything soon. So we can paste in with text, we can generate from a one-line prompt, or we can import a file or a URL. So you could upload a file of some kind, you can import something from a drive, or you can import from a URL. So let's go to a solar company. Alright, let's go to Revolutionary Solar. This is just completely random. Alright, so this is kind of whatever. Okay, let's grab that. Import from URL. Grab that. Alright, let's do a presentation. Shareable decks on that company. So it's obviously writing a prompt in the background. Alright, so it's pulled all of this text. So it's very close to 10,000, which is your limit. Okay, so it's going to create its own images. The format, let's do it in a presentation. Let's phrase this as, please frame the document as a sales brochure. Brochure for customers on the business overall. Okay. Let's go. Now we're going to pick a format. Let's do something. Yeah, that'll do. Generate. Now this is without, you're able to edit this at the end. It's drawing all these graphics for us. Now I can update these later. Okay, so it's finished generating. Okay, so I will export that to PDF. Now I can go in and edit that like Canva, I suppose. There you go. That's a first draft. So obviously you'd have to go through and edit that, and it's based on their content. So it sort of is like it is, but you get the idea of how useful this is. You can also output this as a website too, so you can actually create a website and launch it online. I might do some more tutorials on this later, but super sick way of just getting a structure for a document, and the fact that you can even just write text in and it'll convert it into these types of images. You can also use Gen AI off content to basically create this kind of material, this sales kind of material, and then you pump it in here and do it this way. And you can always export these as proper documents that you can edit in other programs. Massive accelerator. Check it out.